In this quick and simple video, we'll learn how to flip and rotate a video using the CapCut app for PC. Have you ever captured a video and realized it's not oriented the way you want? Or maybe you want to create a stunning visual effect by flipping your footage. We'll simply follow my steps and we'll rotate and flip a video in no time. First, you want to make sure that your video is on the timeline, and then click on or select the video which you want to rotate. I'm gonna rotate this screen recording of my iPhone, and when I select that video, a couple of different options will show up above our timeline. If you want to flip or mirror a video, you'll want to tap on the specific icon that looks like two triangles. And if you want to rotate your video by 90 degrees, simply click on this button next to the mirror or flip option. Your video will be rotated by 90 degrees and you can select the orientation that you need for your video. And that's about it. If you want more CapCut for PC tutorials, make sure to subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next video.